Hi, in this video we're going to be showing you how to assemble this coffee table. But before we get started, here's a few things to keep in mind. Assembly time should take about 30 minutes. Make sure you have a Phillips head screwdriver, and just be sure all the pieces are facing the right way as you're putting it together, and you'll do great. We are going to focus on the trickier parts and go quickly through the easier steps. So make sure you pause the video and complete all the steps as we go. With that said, let's get into it. In step 1, we'll be putting dowels into each of our legs. So we'll put one dowel right into this middle hole here, and repeat for our other 3 legs. All right, next we'll move on to step 2, and we'll take these curved pieces. And we'll lay our legs so that these holes are facing inwards towards each other and the feet are on the same side. And then we'll insert these curved pieces, making sure that these holes here are on the same side as the feet. And then we'll put a screw onto each side into these holes. And we'll do the same thing again for our other legs. Okay, then we can move on to step 3. We'll stand up our legs like this with the curve facing inwards. And then we'll insert this long beam with these holes once again facing the same way as the feet. And then we'll put 2 more screws in through these holes here. Okay, next we'll move on to step 4, so we'll flip these over. And in this step, we can attach these wood planks to the tops of our legs, making sure that this indented hole is facing upwards. And you'll want to turn them so that these angled holes are facing the same way as they are on the legs. We'll line this up with our dowels. And then we can put 2 bolts into each leg. Okay, next we'll move on to step 5, so we'll flip this over again. We'll slide over our tabletop, and then we'll line up the dowels on each leg with the holes on the piece. And then we can screw these together. Okay, next we'll move on to step 6, and we'll add our felt pads onto the bottom of each of the feet. Okay, once those are on, then we can flip over our table. And then we're all done. We hope this video was helpful for you in assembling your new coffee table. For more guides, tips, and tricks, head on over to walkeredison.com.